Hey y'all, happy Sunday and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a biscuit and gravy casserole. It's an easy meal to do, and we're going to go ahead and start with our Jimmy Dean sausage. That's what we're going to start with. Let me go ahead and get that going on the stove. Let me wash my hands real quick, y'all. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the next step. Okay, y'all. So let me go ahead and let this come on and get to frying. And then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so we done got the sausage cooked down. So we got the sausage cooked. We got the sausage cooked down. Like so. Okay. Okay, y'all. Now we're about to get started on the biscuits. Be right back. Okay, y'all. So now we're about to go ahead and cut these biscuits and get them ready to go in the pan. And we're going to cut them in fours like so. Just like this. Actually, I'm going to have to get another knife. Hold on, y'all. Let me grab another knife. That is a long knife to use. Hold on, y'all. I'm coming. So, while I'm getting this together, how about y'all go ahead and leave me some comments down below on how you make your Sunday brunch. Because I'm making Sunday brunch today. So leave me some comments down below on how y'all having y'all Sunday brunch. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and continue to cut these in four. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this pan real quick. Like so. So it won't stick. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put in my biscuits. Like so. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get these biscuits in here, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and add in my sausage like so. And then we're going to go ahead and get to making the gravy. Alright, y'all. Be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and saute me up some onions. And I'm going to add in a little black pepper in that. And I'm going to add in some salt. We're going to go ahead and get this cook down real quick. Like so. Okay, y'all, we're just gonna let these cook a little bit here. And then I'll let y'all know what we're gonna do next. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my gravy like so. Go ahead and combine both of these in here. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this in. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in some pepper. I'm gonna add in some onion powder. You gotta give it some flavor, y'all. I'm gonna add in some seasoning salt. And also, leave me a comment down below if y'all want this recipe. Okay, y'all, I gotta get my parsley, y'all. Go ahead and get some parsley in there. Give me a few minutes and get it open. Okay, we're gonna add in some Italian seasoning too. Like so. Let me go ahead and get us a stir. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get us a stir like so. Okay, we're gonna give it a stir. I'm gonna add a little milk in here, y'all. Loosen this up a little bit. Okay, we're gonna do this. And y'all remember, you know, taste y'all food and make sure you know it's to your liking. I'm just giving you the ingredients, you know, to follow. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this cooked. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in some parsley. Let me some parsley, y'all, like I told y'all before. Parsley, and I'm gonna add a little more Italian seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get this where I want it to be, and I'll be right back. Okay, because I want to loosen this up a little bit. Alright, be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so it's to my liking. Give it another taste. Yes, there we go, there we go. Alright. That, oh yes, whew. Okay, that's what I want. I want it right there. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to go ahead and add it to the pan. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and add a cup of cheese like so. And you can use any type of cheese, any type of cheese you want. As you can see, I got a mixture going on here. So this is some mozzarella and cheddar blend. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead and put on mine, like so. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spread that across. And I'm gonna also go ahead and add in my 6 eggs. Let me get a fork here, y'all, so we can go ahead and mix these up real quick. Like so. Just go ahead and mix them up. Okay, I'm going to add a little pepper to this egg mixture here. Some egg with some pepper and some seasoning salt. Just give it a little flavor there. I'm going to mix this up like so. Okay, y'all, so let me see. So we're going to go ahead and mix it up a little bit more right here. Like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour it on top. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this, and y'all go ahead, leave me some comments down below. Okay, leave me some comments. I want to know what y'all up to today, or any day. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get to our gravy. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So now I'm about to go ahead and add in my gravy, and it is delicious, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this on top like so. Just pour it on top of there, y'all. It's gonna do its thing in the oven. Okay. Let me go ahead and get this about this pan here. This some slap your mama. Okay, slap your mama gravy, okay? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this in here like so. Yes, I put my foot in this, y'all. This Sunday brunch is gonna be off the chain, okay? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this on here like this. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and add in a little more cheese on top of this. And y'all make sure y'all got y'all ovens already preheated at 375. We're gonna put this in for about 30 to 45 minutes. And I will be back with the final result. See you in a minute, y'all. Okay, y'all, so here's the final result of my biscuits and gravy. This result of my biscuit and gravy casserole. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and try a piece. Be right back. Okay, y'all, so here is my biscuit and gravy. I'm gonna go ahead and try a piece. See what I did to myself. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good too. Go ahead and try. Y'all get the first bite. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's hot, y'all. This is good though. Alright, y'all. See y'all next video. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. See y'all in the next one. Bye.